Yo, welcome back to my video. So just do a quick recap of the trade I took today. This is basically my first trade of the week. Yesterday I saw something, but it didn't fill me, so I didn't take any trade yesterday in New York, and this is my first trade of the week during New York. I've been dabbling a little bit here and there in the Asia sessions, but yeah, this is my first trade in New York this week, and it was an amazing trade. I cashed out around 90 points on just one NQ, and this is my execution. And this is the trade here. It was super clean, and yeah, we're gonna recap why I took this trade and what makes me enter. And yeah, we shorted 835, and we were looking for this low of the day break, and we sold into strength. So we netted around 90 points on this trade here with one NQ, which was 1.7k, 1.8k. So very good day. So let's go recap this trade. Okay. So since the market opened, ever since the market opened, I I got here around I think 9:40. So this is central time. So I got here around 8:40 my time. Market opens at 8:30. So I got here 10 minutes late. But the market was doing its thing, and when I was just watching the price action, the candlestick right here, I didn't really like anything here. So I was just waiting for anything to happen, and I noticed that we've been just chopping around this range, and we were trying to put on an uptrend higher, but we failed to do so. And I saw aggressive sellers coming in here on this big 1 minute candlestick right here. And after that drop, we were just trading under. We were just trading under. Let me try to delete all these drawings so it's easier for you guys to look at. So after we dropped this big 1 minute candle, we started trading under this this midnight open, and I drew this red box right here. It also um lines up with these sellers. Okay, so I was just watching this play. I was like, okay, we're rejecting midnight open. We failed to go higher, which is obviously we don't like price being traded higher, and we're just coming back here, rejecting midnight open, rejecting VWAP. So I was just looking for another reason to get into this trade, and the order flow gave me the confirmation to put in the short here at 35, and it was absorptions. You can see here. So I was saying this during the live. I said I want to see absorptions. I want to see these buyers getting trapped, and we saw, buyers between 35 to 58, 60 area. They got trapped, and right here we have probably around. If you were to add these up, there would be around probably 700 of lots of buyers are being trapped up here, and they're trying to bring price higher. And on the order flow, it also shows me one aggressive buyers came in, and that's when I enter, which is at 35, and I put my stop at 60. I was pretty close to getting stopped out, to be honest. I luckily got saved. But like I said, during the live, once we get under these buyers area, we're gonna have a nice drop, which did happen. So that's the trade. And to make me feel more comfortable holding this trade, I also drew like a little trend line here on the 1 minute, right there. So I was watching that as like, as soon as we break this trend line and we came and reject this high, and we see we have buyers getting trapped up here, as soon as we break this trend line with strength, we're gonna have a very nice drop, which is right here. And yeah, that was a very good trade. So I think in the future, for this trade to be better, I think my stop should have been, I think, up here instead of 60. So this should have been like where I put my stop. But it's okay. It worked out regardless. Amazing trade, and look at where the market has been doing. Imagine I held this. That'd be crazy, huh? Look at that. All right. Yeah. That's just a quick recap for today. Very simple trade, very quick recap. So you guys have any questions? Let me know in the Discord, DM me, or leave a comment. I'll try my best to answer it. All right. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Peace.